on that power play for Florida.
Bobrovsky ready to go. Barkov, Rodriguez, Reinhart start up against Svechnikov, Aho, and Jarvis. Now Reinhart lost the handle. Rodriguez with it again. Leads Florida with 6 points in the series. Shot by Forsling. Bad save Anderson. Cleared out by Svechnikov.
Little screen there by Barkov.
And now a steal. Here comes Aho. Moving it on Bobrovsky. Score!
Well, Gustav Forsling tries to make a soft play through the middle of the ice, and
Barkov slides it across. Jackson Blake, good defensive play. And he sends the puck out. Picked up by Aho. Aho in with a shot. Score! His second of the period, that time took advantage of the Mikkola turnover.
You could see the daylight through the legs of Mikkola off the inside of the blocker.
Will not return to the Panthers lineup. There's Seth Jones setting things up top. Now Ekblad. Ekblad shoots, score! Deflected in front on the power play. The Panthers are on the board as Tkachuk redirected it past Anderson.
well, you talk about being direct. That's where Florida gets this opportunity. Little pitch and catch, move to the front, and then the...
Now Bennett, leaving it for Seth Jones.
Remember, Florida failed to get it clear on the one faceoff, and Carolina wasn't able to take advantage.
Here's Bennett, towards the net, score! Rodriguez! We are tied at 2! 2 goals, 30 seconds apart for Florida.
Give and go there between Sam Bennett and Evan Rodriguez. But Bush, as you mentioned, come on, Kenny, can't do that.
Just kidding. Marchand in front, score! Lundell! Third goal of the period for Florida. They take a 3-2 lead. Anton Lundell, the redirect. Off the setup from Brad Marchand.
Left-handed shot, left hand. What a play by Marchand.
Now Forsling with it. Deflected ahead by Svechnikov. Score! Jarvis ties it!
And because his stick was extended to the knob.
Greer's on the bench, but I have seen him for at least 12 minutes of playing time in this third.
Barkov cuts away from Orlov, slides it across, score! Carter Verhaeghe! And the Panthers go back on top.
Brilliant play by Sasha Barkov. Watch this pass over to Carter Verhaeghe. Look at this play. Strength, stay with it, watch this move. Whoop, hello, goodbye, and the puck ends up in the back of the net. A star player making a star play late in the third period.
You said it perfectly, Edzo. A star player making a star play at a big moment. It doesn't get any better than that.
Winding down. Now it comes to Gostisbehere. Gostisbehere shoots the flex wide. Reinhart moves the puck ahead for Barkov. Now Bennett out of the box, racing in, picks up the puck, and scores!
Bennett out of the box after Reinhart really did a good job, Edzo, of eating it in the corner.
5 seconds. There's Gostisbehere. Burns one final attempt. The Florida Panthers, for the 3rd consecutive season, are heading to the Stanley Cup final.